In this video, we will change the season with Photoshop AI filter called Landscape Mixture. To do so, select your landscape image. You need to connect your internet and log in with Adobe ID. Then go to Filter, Neural Filter, and here is the filter called Landscape Mixture. Enable this slide bar. Here right side a lot of preset. To change this current image season, use this one, Ice Effect. Greeny image become a snow white. Increase this winter slide bar 100%. This is before and after. Now use this sunset effect. Increase this sunset slide bar 100%. Beautiful, just beautiful. Use another effect, Autumn. Increase this autumn slide bar 100%. This is before and after. Feel free and keep experimenting with this preset effects and these slide bars. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Photoshop, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe this Adobe Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Photoshop effect tutorials. Also, you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you on a next video soon.